Agriculture. People of ancient times were food gatherers, roaming from place to place in search of food. Hunting and gathering were their way of life. Later they started practicing various agricultural activities to fulfill their needs. Gradually, they started leading a settled life. Agriculture. The word agriculture means the cultivation of land to grow crops for food and raw materials. It is a primary occupation where people produce products directly from the natural resources. Agriculture is the main occupation in India. About 70% of Indians depend on this occupation for their livelihood. Indian farmers produce a variety of crops because they have favorable climate, fertile soil and ample rainfall for growing crops. Government has also taken huge initiative to improve agriculture. Types of crops. Crops are grown according to the soil and monsoon rains. We can divide the crops into two categories, food crops and cash crops. Along with these two crops, India also produces an abundant variety of fruits and vegetables. In India, different states produce different types of crops based on climate and soil. Food crops. Crops that are grown for human consumption are called food crops. Rice, wheat, barley, pulses, etc. are some of the examples of food crops. Rice. Rice is the most important food for the people living in the southern and eastern parts of India. Rice grows well in the hot and wet climate with plenty of rainfall. It is grown in Assam, West Bengal, Chhattisgarh, Andhra Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Bihar, Odisha, Kerala and Karnataka. In Punjab and Haryana, rice is grown with the help of irrigation. Wheat. Wheat is the second most important staple food for the people of North India. Wheat grows well in a cool and moist climate. It is grown in Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh and Madhya Pradesh. Millets. Millets include coarse grains like ragi, jwar and bajra. They are mainly grown in the areas of less rainfall. They are grown in Rajasthan, Gujarat, Maharashtra, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu and Karnataka. Pulses. Pulses is an important diet of Indians. India is the largest producer and consumer of pulses. It includes varieties of pulses such as moong, urad, masoor and arhar. Pulses are protein-rich grains. They are grown in Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka and some other parts of India in small quantity. Cash crops. Crops that are grown by the farmers for sale in the market are called cash crops. Cotton, sugar cane, tea, coffee, rubber, etc. are some of the examples of cash crops. Sugar cane. Sugar cane is an important crop of India. Sugar is made out of sugar cane. It is the main source of sugar and jaggery, gur. It requires fertile soil, hot and humid climate with plenty of water to grow. It is grown in Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Gujarat, Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. Cotton. Cotton is an important fiber crop. It is used for making cloth. It grows well in warm and dry regions having black or alluvial soil. It is grown in Gujarat, Maharashtra, Punjab, Haryana, West Bengal and Andhra Pradesh. Jute. Jute is a fiber crop. It requires plenty of water to grow. It is used for making bags, ropes, carpets, etc. It is grown in West Bengal, Bihar, Odisha and Assam. Tea. Tea is a popular beverage crop of India. India is the largest producer of tea in the world. Tea grows well in the hilly areas having hot and wet climate with heavy rainfall. It is grown in Assam, north of West Bengal and the Nilgiri Hills of Tamil Nadu. Coffee. Coffee grows well in cool weather of heavy rainfall. It is grown in southern states of Karnataka, Kerala and Tamil Nadu. Spices. Spices include cloves, chilies, cardamom, black pepper, cumin seeds, coriander seeds, turmeric, ginger, etc. They require cool climate of heavy rainfall. These are grown in Kerala and Karnataka. Rubber. Rubber is used for making tires, insulators, tubes for vehicles, covers of electric cables, etc. It is grown in Kerala, Tamil Nadu and Karnataka, where the climate is hot and humid. Northeastern states except Assam have hills and thick forests. In these states different fruits and flowers are grown. In some states tea is grown.